clouds are sang and spread, and the lights are gleaming low. I'd grab your arms once and steer your hand above, rolling on in fire flames and kiss you on and on and on. Jack Nicholson style. It doesn't take a butterfly to stop a midnight train, nor a misfit in my can to light on the moon so pale. But all I knew that my desire could embrace them all angels and the double-hundred candles of the lights of Notre Dame. Jack Nicholson style. And I patient as Jeremiah writes for soundless lines. Jack Nicholson style. Please take my hand and press it hard,